A contrast is formed by a small black house that stands out from its surroundings solely on account of its carbonized facade. Unlike typical detached homes, it is located between two existing houses, an office building and a multifamily home, and although it directly adjoins the latter, it does consciously distinguish itself from its setting, so that it is perceived as an independent building. In this manner, a further element is added to the existing heterogeneous ensemble. What particularly makes the quality of the building is the way the topography of the plot is exploited with rooms of different heights stacked together from the outside. This is legible in the projections that denote the terrace and basement, but also in the shape of the roof. Inside, spaces and uses form one fluid entity, overlap and consequently create a variety of spatial situations. A large cutout in the concrete structure enables the space to flow outside towards a small forest with